Back camera. It is better. It is a better guy.
Yes, you're on.
Why isn't it stopping? Why do you want it to stop? Just click it.
It's not stopping.
Oh my god, what did you do to my phone? Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Weapon Beauty, and if you're new here, this is Weapon Beauty. My name is Destiny. Hope you're doing good. Today, we are doing a half crochet, half braided hairstyle on my friend right here. We're doing six braids across the top of her head. They're gonna be like straight, kind of straight back. They're gonna go to the halfway point of her head. The gel I used was the Alyssa and Nicole braiding gel, one of my favorites. If I don't use that, I'll use the Red Shining Gem. So yeah, this style took roughly over 3 hours. It was fairly simple. It made it a lot easier since her hair was blow dried. I didn't add any extra hair to the braids because, you know, her hair is already fairly long, so she did. Yeah. So those are 2 of the 6 braids I finished. You can see her hair. We're touching past her shoulder. She want to show y'all she got inches. So those are the 6 braids that we have finished. It took me a little bit of time to do them because some of them were not straight. But if you are doing your braids and they're not coming out straight, don't be afraid to take them down and do it over again. Yeah. So right now we're about to add knockers to 4 of the 6 braids to make it look like a little crown over the top of her head. So with her hair in the back is quite roughly how it's gonna look. But right now I'm about to section it off so we can get that braid across the top of her head so we can hide the little ends of the top ones. That makes sense. So you see I already kind of started the braid. It's pretty much like feeding in, but you want to make sure you're holding it tight so it's not super bulky and you're getting those braids that you did at the top in there so you can put them. So here it is with that middle braid done. You see how all the braids are no longer showing, so now it'll be easier to braid up their back. So now I already halfway have the back braided up. You want to section off a piece like you're doing a regular cornrow, but you want to make sure you're adding the end of the last braid into the previous braid that you're doing. So how I like to do that, I like to split the one I'm doing in half and try to put that one in the middle. So when I go down, I can just grab it, put it in between, so it'll be a lot easier, if that makes sense.
That I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make it.
So this is the hair we're going to be using to crochet in the back. And that's how the back of our hair looks. So how I like to tie the crochet in, I like to, use the hook, pull it through, and then sometimes I'll pull one leg through to make that little knot, and then the other times I'll pull both ends through and then just pull one out, kind of like double knotting it. That makes sense, like I'm about to do right here, just like that. Either one works. I just wanted to see if it would slip. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.